Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you how to check this device's temperature. First thing you'll have to do is connect to a Wi-Fi network, because we're gonna need a browser, because to measure the temperature of our laptop we'll have to install an application called CoreTemp. You can look it up in your browser. I will show you the official website in a while. Well, the official website is called allcpu.com. Usually the first link leads to the official website of the application. Let me just wait until the page loads up. And once the page is loaded up, you can clearly see the address, allcpu.com/CoreTemp. And to download the application, just click this button right here and wait until the application is downloaded. And once the installation file is downloaded, let's open it. Click yes. And click next, then read the user agreement and click next to continue. Then select the directory in which you want to place the program folder. And on this page, if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can leave this one checked. I'm gonna uncheck it because I don't need it. Now be sure that you uncheck this one if you don't want any additional software on your PC, especially an unwanted one. So click this one to uncheck it. If you want to install additional language packs, you can also leave this checked. I don't think I need it. And that's it for this page. And then click next and install, and wait until the application is installed. Now let's launch CoreTemp straightforward. Click finish, and right here you'll be able to see the CPU. So we're measuring temperature on the CPU. Here we can see the minimum temperature of each core that's been registered. It might change in the future, since it changes since the last time you started your PC, basically. So these are pretty well. These are accurate, but they're not very reliable numbers. But for now, as you can see, these are the temperatures of each core of your CPU. So these are the minimum, these are the maximum levels, and you can you can check them live in this program. You can also check the load of each core, and so on. And so that's how you check the temperature of your laptop. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.